Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies crunchy. Start by choosing a recipe with less moisture and slightly higher sugar ratio. Preheat your oven fully and use a light-colored baking sheet. Adjust fat types and reduce egg or liquid amounts to limit softness. Chill dough briefly to prevent overspreading and encourage crisp edges. Bake until golden and let cool completely on a rack for crisp texture. In this video, I will show how to make cookies crunchy. Preheat the oven and consider increasing temperature slightly to draw out moisture quickly. Use convection when possible to circulate hot air and dry cookies more evenly. Choose light baking sheets and avoid insulated pans that slow browning. Keep an eye on edges for golden color and remove cookies just before they look done to firm up as they cool on a rack. In this video, I will show how to make cookies crunchy. Slightly boost granulated sugar or mix in a small amount of corn syrup to encourage crisping. Replace part of the butter with shortening or reduce egg yolks to lower moisture content. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch for a firmer crumb and a pinch of baking soda to speed browning. Test one tray first to dial in your ideal crunch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.